Hey everybody, it's Brian in the kitchen. You know, I made that guajillo pepper sauce a couple of days ago. And I've got this chicken that I am preparing for the smoker. Got my smoker lit with some charcoal in it, getting nice and hot. And then we'll add our apple wood to the smoker. I wanted to just coat this chicken with the guajillo pepper sauce. I think it'll be kind of awesome. It's kind of a great flavor on chicken for sure. So we're going to coat this chicken really well. Let it sit for a little bit. Kind of absorb this flavor before it hits the grill on the smoker. I brined this chicken for about 24 hours. I put it in a nice salt water solution to let it really help take up some moisture. And that helps make the chicken a lot more juicy, a little more tender, and it's just going to be lovely. I love my sauce mop. I picked this up off of Amazon, I think, but it's a great tool. What I've also got prepped up to go with the chicken. Rinse my hands real quick. I got some baby back ribs. These have been dry brining. Got a little bit of barbecue sauce on them as my binder, and then my own rub blend that I make. We pulled the skin off the back, the membrane, and they're seasoned well on both sides. I let these sit in the fridge for also 24 hours, seasoned just like this. The meat helps, it kind of gets tender and a little more juicy. It absorbs some of that salt from my dry brine, my seasoning. And they will go on the smoker just like that. And they're going to be amazing. So I will see you in a few minutes when we go out to load up the smoker. Nothing better to do on a gentle rainy day. Smoke a little meat. Oh, looky there. That's heaven. I'm going to spray these with a little bit of apple cider and cider vinegar mixture. It's about a 50-50 mix in my spray bottle. And this helps kind of keep the meat moist and imparts some wonderful flavor. All right, we're going to cook some of this bacon off on my my griddle, and this is going to go right into these beautiful beans I've got going here. I take a lot of pride in my baked beans. I don't generally pit smoke them, but lots of bacon, sometimes ham, shredded pork go in there. I had some bacon sitting around thawed out, so I thought this would be perfect to put in there. I make my beans tangy and sweet. A little bit of mustard seed, brown sugar and molasses, a little bit of red wine vinegar or even a little cider vinegar. And they get a little kick, a little bite to them, but they're sweet at the same time, which I think is really, really nice. Really indicative of a Kansas City style pit bean. Turned out pretty good. Bone apple teeth.